Okay, if you are thinking that you'd be happier if you just move somewhere else, a new country, a new beginning, a new career, then here's a few things I'd like to share with you. The environment you surround yourself in has a huge impact on your quality of life. It influences your mindset, social life, career, and even self-esteem. That is why it is quite important that you make an informed decision before making that move. A question that you can ask yourself is that, am I chasing a location or a feeling? Because a new city, unfortunately, is not going to magically fix everything for you. You bring your habits, trauma, and mindset with you. A new external surrounding is not going to fix the problem if the root cause is within. Moving can certainly help, but only if you are willing to do the internal work. Now, there are some signs that might indicate that it's now time to move. For example, you feel isolated, you lack a sense of belonging, the job market doesn't quite align with your career or financial goals, you feel like you're stagnating. Now, everyone has their own markers for personal development. For me, I tend to assess my growth in terms of finance, fitness, faith, friends and family. I suggest that you assess yours as part of your decision-making process. If you are still finding it difficult to make a decision, perhaps ask yourself, am I running to something or away from something? What's the kind of lifestyle I want? And can I build that lifestyle in the place that I currently live? Asking these self-reflecting questions might help you find some additional clarity. Now, moving to a new place has certainly many advantages. You learn more about independence, gain new skills, potentially get better career opportunities, chances to make new friends, allowing your mindset and perspective to evolve. The list goes on. On the flip side, there will be challenges and you might feel lonely for a while. But I want you to know that it's completely normal. It's part of the process and you build resilience because of it. So if you are thinking to move, just know it's okay to want more for your life. Just be intentional about it. Don't just blindly follow what you see on social media. Make an informed decision that is right for you in your current phase of life. See you next time.